Air-stroke actuators are pneumatic air-actuated devices. They operate like any air-type device by the internal air pressure putting a force on the area of the actuator. Because we have such a wide variety of actuators, we can use standard shop air pressure to get a wide variety of forces. Air-stroke actuators have a lot of advantages in certain applications. They're friction-free, there's no sliding seals, so you don't have to worry about wear. You also get immediate response for any small change in air pressure. They're also made of rubber, so they're fairly resistant to impacts or to dirty environments where if you have a sliding seal, the dust or dirt can wear that out. Air springs have a very long life in applications in places like sawmills and mines where typical sorts of actuators have difficulty. One of the advantages that air springs have in applications is with no sliding seals, they don't have a generated leak path. With a normal actuator, either air cylinder or any form of actuator that uses sliding seals, eventually those seals wear, and when they wear, they leak. Air springs, because of their flexible sidewall, have the ability to actuate through angles or to accept side loads and basically be misaligned. They'll follow the path of least resistance, but that gives them the ability to operate in environments where you don't have the precision of operation that requires sliding seals. So they're very forgiving in applications requiring displacement like that. Air springs can be used as actuators in a totally unlimited number of different ways. A brake actuator is just a form of actuation where you're actually providing a force on two materials to keep them from moving relative to each other. In many applications, the material is moving from a roll or a reel into a forming operation. In a loom, you're taking yarn and taking it off of a spool and putting it into a device that forms a fabric. The same kind of application is used in a cable winch where you're either reeling in or reeling out cable, where you have to maintain a constant tension on that material. Otherwise it'll form loops and damage the material or break it. So the air springs, because you can control the air pressure, you can vary it to the precise amount of force required to maintain that tension, and because there's no friction in the air spring, it's an immediately adjustable sort of a drag brake actuator. If a customer requires the benefits of our product and we are not able to adapt an existing product to his needs, we're always interested in looking at the possibilities of expanding the breadth of coverage. This particular product has only been on the market now for about a month because a customer needed a very small, very compact force applicator in a conveyor application. So we developed this product to meet his particular needs.